What if your glasses could do more than just help you see? I mean, way more. What if they could show you your text, translate a conversation in real time, and give you walking directions without you ever looking down at your phone? Well, Meta just dropped their new RayBan display glasses at their Connect 2025 event, and it's got everyone buzzing about the future of AI smart glasses. So guys, what's the big deal? For the first time in a consumer-friendly design, Meta has packed in a full-color, high-resolution display right inside the lens. It's not about strapping a phone to your face. Meta says this is for a quick, glanceable interactions that will keep you present in the moment. You can see messages, preview photos, and get even translation without pulling out your phone. But the main question is, how do you control it? You are not going to be awkwardly swiping your glasses in public. This is where it gets really cool. Each pair comes with something called the Meta Neural Band. This is MG or Electromyography wristband. In simple terms, it reads the tiny electrical signals your muscles create when you move your finger. With just a subtle pinch or a swipe of your thumb, you can scroll through menus, click on notifications, and even type out messages. The band has an 18-hour battery life, so it is designed for all-day wear. It's seamless, almost magical way to interact with the glasses. Of course, the heart of these glasses is the AI. Meta is pairing its visual AI with the display, which is a total game changer. You can ask the AI a question, and instead of just telling you an answer, it can show you. Imagine you are trying to fix a leaky faucet. You could look at it and say, "Hey Meta, how do I fix this?" The AI can see what you see, identify the problem, and display step-by-step instructions right in your vision. That is incredibly powerful. Now guys, I have to be honest. Meta's live demo didn't go perfectly. Zuckerberg had some technical hiccups, including a failed phone call attempt that he laughed off. But here's the thing, this is still cutting edge technology, and even with some rough edges, the potential is absolutely mind-blowing. When it worked, which was most of the time, it looked absolutely magical. Let's quickly run through the other amazing features. The first one is the live translation. The glasses can display real-time captions of a conversation, translating select languages as you talk to someone. You can get turn-by-turn walking distances with a visual map overlaid in a view, which is amazing for exploring a new city. You can take hands-free video calls on your WhatsApp and Messenger, showing your friends exactly what you see. Plus, you can privately view text and multimedia messages from your favorite apps. And yes, the camera is still there, but now the display acts as a real-time viewfinder, so you can frame the perfect shot before you take it. The Meta RayBan glasses are priced at $799 and they will be available starting September 30th. That's less than 2 weeks away. Each pair comes with a neural band included, plus a charging case that extends the glasses' 6-hour battery life up to 30 hours total. Look, we have been waiting for smart glasses that don't make you look like a cyborg for years. Meta might have finally nailed it. These RayBan display glasses represent the biggest leap forward in wearable tech since the smartphone, and they are actually available to buy in just days, not years. So guys, what do you think? Are Meta RayBan display glasses the next must-have gadget, or it's still too pricey? Also guys, do follow our private community on WhatsApp and Telegram for exclusive AI prompts, latest updates, and much more. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown of RayBan Meta display glasses, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech and AI updates, and hit the bell so that you never miss out. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.